What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel where I help the new generation make and save more money. And of course, whoever else has decided to join us. So in this video, by the end of it, you'll know the 3 apps that I use daily to make more money and also save. I just want to say I'm not going to waste your time. None of these apps are going to be telling you to download this one and do a bunch of these surveys to make 50 cents an hour. I'm not gonna do that. I know there's videos like that and I've clicked them too. Super quick thing before we get into the apps, I just wanna say, if you guys have watched my videos before and you aren't subscribed yet, I really wanna hit this goal of 1,000 subscribers in 6 months. So if you can help me get there, I'd appreciate that. So number 1 is Mint. And I'm saying this one first to get it out of the way because a lot of people know what Mint is. If you know what Mint is, you can skip to this time frame right here and that'll go to number 2, so right here. For those of you who don't know what Mint is, it's something that tracks all your purchases. It can be on all your accounts, your like checking, savings, your credit card, your investments. I have it on all of them, so I can always look in one app and see everything. It also covers everything budgeting wise. So you can have something from just a monthly budget of you only want to spend $1,000 down to you only want to spend $50 on eating out every month, which is what I have. I have $50 for that. And every time you go over, it tells you, hey, you've got your budget. It pretty much tells you you've reached your budget for the month whenever you get to it. The best way to spend less money is to know at the end of the month what all the crap was that you actually bought. So number 2 is Mylo. And this is the app that I actually mentioned in my Millennial Money video, and this is probably the best one on this list that I've got here out of the 3 because it can help you save and make more money just like me, so you know, save and make more money. And this app has 2 main features. One of them is called roundups and the other one is actual investing. That's how you make money and this is how you save money. The way this app saves you money is every time you buy something, it will round up to the nearest dollar and the leftover change will go into a savings account of yours. So pretty much if you buy something for $10.50, it will move that 50 cents left over, like round it up to $11, it'll take that 50 cents and put it into a savings account in the Mylo app for you, into a savings account. And that brings us to the second part of the app, which is the investing part. So once your money is going over here, when you save it and it puts 50 cents over here, then you can have it go into a savings that just sits there, or you can have it go into a TFSA, which is what I do. And so the second part of the app is investing. So you can set up an investor profile in the app saying that you're, aggressive investor or you're defensive or whatever it may be. And then after that, they pretty much invest your money off what you've told them. But you don't have to use this second part. You could just use the app, which is what I did for the first couple months just to save money. And I saved a few $100s a month, just putting some change away. That was it. And I know some people may not like that, not being involved in the investment process. And I was thinking of making a video showing actually over the last 3 months, all of my money going in there that I have not done anything with. I just let them invest it and I can show you guys after 3 months what it has done, where my money has gone. Have I made money? Have I lost money? If you guys actually want to know what it's like after 3 months of them just doing it all by themselves, I can make a separate video on that and seeing how good the app really is and how good they are at working with your money, because so far, yes, it's gone up. And the last thing about the Mylo app is if you use my link in the description, you get a free $5 when you open an account, and I would also get $5, so you can just make $5 and then transfer it out if you wanted. But yeah, anyways, on to number 3. Number 3 is EQ Bank. Simply put, EQ Bank is just a bank with an extremely high interest rate. Normally it's 2.75, but with all this flu stuff going on, now it's down to 2%, which is still higher than like a lot of banks. And the reason this is on there is because it's simple. You don't have to talk to anyone, do anything. You can just make an account on their website, put some money in there, and then you start making money every single month, depending on how much you put in there. But it's a 2% interest right now, and that will only go up. I'm about to start making like $5 every month. I know that's not a lot, but $5 every month just for having my money sit in there instead of in a savings, which has like 0.012, I don't even know. Some shit that's not good, that's what. And again, this bank has no lock-ins, no fees, no nothing, like literally no risk pretty much. Put money in whenever you want, take it out whenever you want. So those are the 3 apps that I use every single day to make or save more money. And if this video helped you guys in any way, consider leaving a like or subscribing. I'm trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber goal, like I said, in 6 months. So if you can help me with that, I'd appreciate it. Otherwise, I'll see you next week.